And can you see how much product it just soaked? And it looks like a patch on my skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is gonna be me trying out new makeup, two major brands that have launched on Nykaa. The first one being the Balm. This is how the PR box looks like, and the second one is e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is how the PR box looks like. Now this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I always mention whenever it is in the description box, but this one is not. They were kind enough to send the PR in, so I thought why not sit down and talk to you guys about each of the products. Now I have tried majority of the products on my face, and I thought this will be helpful for you guys to make an informed decision if you want to buy certain products from these brands. So without further ado, let's get started. This is how my skin looks like. I've done my skincare, and skincare video is already up. My honest, unsponsored skincare routine where I tell you guys about what all my dermat has recommended. You should go give it a watch. But in today's video, we are gonna be testing out the new launches on Nykaa, that is the Balm and e.l.f. So I have so many products to talk about. Of course, I don't have a foundation and a concealer, and thank God I don't have it because I really didn't want to test out any new base product, as you guys already know that I am suffering from a breakout situation. So that's why I'm going to use my trusty foundation, which is Smashbox. This is how it looks like, and the pack concealer. I'll do my base and I'll be right back. Oh wait, we have a primer to test out. This is by e.l.f. And I have so many products by e.l.f. So this is the putty primer, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is the putty primer. I used to watch Kathleen Lights talk about this. She had done like an e.l.f. full face of makeup, and oh my god, you guys, I have tested the texture of this. This is a very different gooey texture, and it definitely fills in your pores. Like when I use it on my hands, the lines kind of disappear. I'm not going to use it on my cheeks because, you know, again, I don't want to aggravate anything. I'm going to use this on my nose and on my chin area because of course everybody has texture and pores on their nose. So let's do that. Okay, so you're supposed to like press this product and not drag it. This is very similar to the L'Oreal Base Magique. If you have used that product, you would definitely understand कि कैसा texture है इस product का. Okay, so this is how my nose looks like. Definitely looks a little white, like whitish cast. I hope it goes away. But it definitely does look smoother. We'll know if it actually looks smooth or not after the foundation comes. Okay, the concealer is done, and I was about to put my foundation, and I realized that I have the e.l.f. sponge to test out with you guys. So let's put the foundation with this. I feel the prices of e.l.f. Cosmetics is definitely higher in India because if you compare the prices in the US, it's a very affordable drugstore brand. Like the putty primer is $8 over there. So if you do the math, it's around 600 rupees. It should have been around 600 rupees, but over here it's for 1,100 rupees, like 1100. So definitely there is a hike in the price. Then this sponge is actually for $5 over there. Let's see the price in India. So again, it should have been around 350-400 rupees, but over here it's for 700 rupees. And I honestly do not like this sponge because मैंने कितना पानी squeeze किया है, but again it has a lot of water in this, and it does soak a lot of your product. So yeah, I don't think you should spend 700 rupees on this, but the putty primer, I think it's worth it because the L'Oreal Base Magique is also around that price range. Only it's for 980 rupees if I'm not wrong. So putty primer में बहुत सारा quantity मिलता है, so definitely go for that primer. And you guys are gonna see कि मुझे ज़्यादा foundation लगने वाला है because of this sponge, because now it's clean and just one dab. And can you see how much product it just soaked? One more thing I noticed about this sponge is that if you go to layer the foundation, it will lift the foundation, and it's not the fault of the foundation because Smashbox foundation, I've been using it for like so many years now, almost like 1.5 years, 2 years. Okay, moving on. I am so excited. Oh my god, I feel like a kid So there are a lot of brow products by ELF, so let's test out those products. I have actually tested them out. I really like it. So this is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil and I'm in the shade Deep Brown if I'm not wrong. This is a retractable pencil. This is how it looks like, and then there is a spoolie on the other end. I really like when pencils have spoolies. And this is very affordable. This is just for 300 rupees. You get 4 shades and I'm in the shade Deep Brown as I said. This is very pigmented. You have to be careful. Like you can't have a heavy hand when you use this. So yeah, keep that in mind. But otherwise the texture is beautiful. I really am impressed. And now that my hair color is a little lighter, this does look a bit darker on my skin now. So like, you know, you should always match your brow color with your hair color. Keep that in mind. But the best part is the gel which I'm gonna use after this, it's a bit lighter, so it just neutralizes everything. So can you see, it's a beautiful brow pencil, but it looks a little ashy on my skin because my hair color is like brownish blonde. Okay, so the brows are done. Let's use the brow gel. This is the ELF Cosmetics Wow Brow Gel. I think, I don't know what shade I am in because packaging मैंने fake दिया है, मेरे को अभी इस पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है, but this is for 600 rupees. And I think brow gels are a bit on the expensive side, like 500 600, and it also has fibers. And trust me you guys, I just love this product so much. It just sets your eyebrows in place. And if you are someone who has bushy brows but you know want something in your brows, you can just use this on a daily basis and you're good to go. So this is definitely more on the brown warm side, so it just neutralizes the color. Can you see, this looks more brown and this one looks grayish. Now my brows look like my brows. Okay, this is how my brows look like. You will feel a little tacky and tight till the brows are setting and the gel is drying. Don't worry about that, that feeling goes away after a while. Let's move on. We have so many eyeshadow palettes to test out. So we have the Balm eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. We have one more eyeshadow palette by ELF. This is the Quad. This is how it looks like. It's a very neutral eyeshadow palette and this is just for 400 rupees. Very travel friendly. If you are like an office going girl and if you want like a very neutral palette, you can go for this. There are other shades available as well, but to be very honest, this palette is calling my name. I'm definitely gonna use this and I'm gonna go for a very different eye look. I'm not gonna do my usual eye look. First up, I'm gonna use this shade. To be very honest, I don't know how to pronounce these names. They are very weird. And oh my god, look how pigmented these shadows are. Plus this mirror is to die for because it's a very cute square size mirror and the packaging is cardboard packaging, so you can travel with it. Very practical packaging. Also, if you are wondering if I'm paid to say all of this by Nykaa, then it's not. Whenever it's a paid video, I always mention it in the description box, and this is not a paid video. These are my personal opinions. Do some blush. Now I have two options from each brand. This is by ELF. This is like a stick blush, totally up my alley, but this has a lot of shimmer. Can you see? Like it has a lot of shimmer particles, so I don't think I'm gonna use this because I don't like my blushes to be having a lot of chunky shimmer, so I'm gonna pass this. So we're gonna go for the Balm Blush, and oh my god, you guys, look at this shade. This is such a beautiful shade. I love this. Look at it. These are extremely pigmented. You have to be very careful. Look how beautiful is this shade. It's a matte blush and I am a sucker for matte blushes. I always prefer matte blushes and I always like to go overboard with my blush. A lot of people are like, why do you blush your cheeks so much? You look like a clown. Well, I like to look like a clown. Okay, again for liner I have two options. This is by the Balm and this is by ELF. This liner, which is by the Balm, I have used and abused. Oh my god, Balm का PR package बहुत पहले आया हुआ था and the launch was postponed for some reason, so I have used this product for almost a month now. I think I took this for the wedding as well, for my cousin's wedding, and I was using this non-stop. It has a very nice felt tip. It is matte, okay, it is long lasting, and I like my liners to be very matte. एल्फ का लाइनर मैंने अब तक अच्छे से टेस्ट आउट नहीं किया, एक बार सिर्फ स्वॉच किया है हैंड पे. एल्फ वाला लाइनर हैज अ ब्रश टिप लाइक अ प्रॉपर ब्रश applicator, and this one, the balm, has like a felt tip applicator. I'm gonna use this one on this eye, which is by Elf, and this one by the balm on this eye. So I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but this liner is like matte. This one has a slight satin finish. This is also matte only, but thoda satin finish है. But both the applicators are pretty easy to use. Mascara के लिए सिर्फ एक ही option है, and that is by Elf. This is how it looks like. This is like a very decent mascara. I mean, this is not like a must buy from my side at least. There's nothing extraordinary about it. Okay, for highlighters we have two competitors again. This is by Elf. This is how it looks like. Both of them are golden yaar. I am so upset about it. And this one is Merry Luminizer. I mean, everyone knows about this highlighter. This is like Becca Champagne Pop wala hype. Can you see that? It's a very nice subtle highlighter, and it doesn't look that golden on my skin, which I really like. And in person also it doesn't look that chunky or shimmery. I'm just going to layer it one more time to see if I can build it up. Yeah, now it looks blinding. Now we're going to flip the brush and use Merry Luminizer on this side. It looks very blinding on screen, and it is very blinding in person as well, but it's a very yellowish golden shade, and it looks like a patch on my skin. So I think it's a pass for me, and I feel so sad. Now I have so many lipstick options, but both of them are red, and I definitely am not gonna go for a red lip, especially when I have like a smoky eye going on. This is the liquid lipstick by Elf, and this is the dual lipstick. This one is like day and night. There are two different shades, so I'm gonna skip these two, and I'm gonna go for this shade, and I love this shade so much. This is by the Balm Meet Matthews, and I think I'm in the shade Charming. Yes, I'm in the shade Charming, and you're gonna love this shade, trust me on that. Isn't this shade beautiful? It's like a mauvey pink shade. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do. All the links of these products are mentioned in the description box below. Subscribe kar lo yaar, it's free, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.